Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to interface 16x2 LCD display with the help of driver IC PCF8574 driven via I2C communication. Let's get started. So as the first step, let's try to understand the schematic that we are going to build. And on the screen you can see this is the Arduino Uno development board that we are going to use. And as the first step, I am just going to draw a common 5-volt rail and also a ground rail for building the circuit. So you can see the red rail on the top is the 5-volt common rail which I am going to utilize for powering the other components in the circuit, and the black rail in the top is the ground rail from Arduino. I am doing this because I am not going to use any external power supply for powering other components in the circuit. So that is why I am just making the 5-volt and ground from the Arduino Uno development board as a common thing. And the next component that is required here is the I2C powered PCF8574 based LCD module. You can see on the left, this is the LCD module, 16x2 LCD module with PCF8574 IC. So this extension board in the black is the PCF8574 IC development board or module board, which is connected to the 16x2 LCD, which will help us to drive this LCD via I2C communication. Let's build the schematic for driving this particular LCD via this PCF8474 using the I2C communication from Arduino Uno. Now as the first step, I just want to power up this particular module. You can clearly see it has 4 pins: VCC, ground, SDA and SCL. SDA is the data pin of I2C communication. SCL is the clock pin of I2C communication, which will be connected to SCL of Arduino Uno and SDA of Arduino Uno, and this VCC and ground is useful for powering up this module as well as the LCD module. So I am just going to connect the VCC to 5-volt of Arduino Uno and ground to ground of Arduino Uno, and further SCL and SDA to SCL and SDA of Arduino Uno development board. So let me do that. So I am connecting VCC to 5-volt of Arduino Uno development board and ground to ground of Arduino Uno development board. And we very well know that the SCL pin of Arduino Uno is nothing but A5 pin, that is the analog 5 pin. So I am just going to connect SCL to A5 of Arduino Uno, and further the SDA is nothing but A4 of Arduino Uno development board. So let me just connect that to A4. That's it. That's all the circuit that is required. You can clearly see the VCC and ground is connected to VCC and ground of Arduino Uno development board, and SCL is connected to A5 of Arduino Uno development board, and SDA is connected to A4 of Arduino Uno development board. That's all of the schematic that we are going to build, or that you need to build. Now let's code the Arduino up so that it can print some data onto the LCD using I2C protocol. Let's see the coding part. Now coming to the coding part, you can see this is the code that I am going to build onto the Arduino for printing the data. And here, as the first step, I have included a header called wire.h. This header will be available by default in this Arduino IDE. If not, you can install this particular header using the library tab right over here. So this header and also this header, you can copy this and search it here. You can install any one of these for interfacing I2C LCD module, that is PCF8574 based LCD module to your Arduino Uno development board. These two headers must be included, and following that you can define a LCD function like this. You can call the LCD with these 3 parameters. For initializing the LCD, you just want to put like liquid crystal underscore I2C of LCD with the address of LCD, that is the I2C address of LCD. Mostly it would be 0x27. In some cases, in some modules that is readily available, you may have the address 0x3F because the address is switchable via external GPIO in the PCF8574. So you can check it by providing this particular value if this is not working. The second parameter is we are just going to use 16 columns and 2 rows of LCD. That's all. And coming to the initialization part, you can just call the LCD init function for initializing the LCD, and this backlight will turn on the backlight. That's all. And further, I'm just setting the cursor at 0th column and 0th row. So first 0 right over here is the column number, and second 0 right over here is the row number. We very well know we have 16 columns in our LCD. We are just going to utilize 16 columns. So this can vary from 0 to 15. And this particular second parameter, that is the row parameter, can vary from 0 to 1. That's all. So we are telling I just want the cursor to be set at 0th column and 0th row. And we are printing nothing, that is blank spaces. And now we are switching the cursor to 0th column and first row. Instead of 0th row, we are switching to first row and we are printing the same, that is all clear. We are just clearing the display initially with these 4 lines. Again, we are turning on the backlight and I am setting the cursor to 0, 0, 0th column, 0th row, and I am printing output. And I am switching to 0th column and first row and I am printing loading. So here you can see L will be printed in the 0th column, this in the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, and sixth column. And from the 7th column till the 15th column, I am just going to print dot, so that it will be like an animation, that is it will be printing each dot for 300 millisecond like a loading animation. So I am just doing that with this for loop. And that's all about the initialization part of the Arduino Uno. So the setup is ready. Now coming to the super loop or infinite loop, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to turn on the backlight, LCD.backlight. Here you can see this LCD is the keyword, and using that class name you just want to access every other instances of the LCD. So like print, set cursor, backlight, etc. You can just call every other instances using this LCD that is defined right over here. So whatever the name that you are providing right over here in the line number 5, you just want to utilize for calling other instances in your program. And here LCD, I am just setting the cursor to 0th column and 0th row, and I am going to print hello world. And again I am switching the cursor to 0th column and first row. This time I am just going to print SM Academy. So I am just leaving these spaces for these spaces so that the text will be aligned in the center of the LCD. That's all. So here I will be getting output printed in the first row, first column. Following that, loading printed in the second row, first column. And following that, we will get a dot animation, loading animation printed on the second row of the LCD. After the animation, we will get hello world and SM Academy printed in the second row of the LCD. So this is the output. Let's see the output in the hardware. I have already connected my Arduino Uno to my PC. You can see it is connected to COM6. You can directly click on this for compiling the program. Compilation is done, and you can click on this to upload the program. That's it. It is uploaded. Let's see the output in the hardware. This is the output which I got in the hardware. You can clearly see hello world SM Academy has been printed on the 16x2 LCD by PCF8574 I2C module. I hope you learned something new in this particular video. Thanks for watching.